Hello, and welcome to Diversity Week and webinars. Your teachers and guidance counselors, Mrs. Gaines and I, Mrs. Humphreys, have been working together to provide various presenters and webinars to bring greater awareness to diversity, inclusion, and equity. For each session, please complete the survey questions to be entered into a drawing for some prizes. They include gift cards and treats from some of our favorite local Pitman establishments, Crave, Alora's, and Attilio's. For this first session, it seems fitting to have these terms, diversity, inclusion, and equity, clearly defined, as they are often used interchangeably. With this in mind, I have attached a video for you to watch at the end of my presentation. The video is entitled, "The Difference Between Diversity, Inclusion, and Equity" by Ritu Bhasin. Keep in mind how you can relate these terms to your everyday life. So, diversity is really a measurement that represents the percentage of different groups of people. It is all about the numbers. In calculating this, we look at the percentage of whites, African Americans, Hispanics, Asians, Native Americans, etc., that are in the general population. The challenge then is to have those percentages represented in various groups, organizations, schools, in employment, entertainment, business ownership, top executive positions, etc. When you look around you and take notice, do you see this in your routine interactions and experiences with others? Inclusion is really the qualitative experience that all people have in their communities. How people feel is the focus. Are people of diverse backgrounds able to be their true, authentic, and cultural selves and flourish? Flourish is the key word here. What cultural differences in others have you noticed, welcomed, appreciated, and incorporated into your daily experiences? This could be as simple as sharing and cooking a recipe that reflects a different cultural heritage. Developing equity is a process in which we enhance our awareness and understanding of the history of prior discrimination and prejudice, and its impact on current realities and experiences of marginalized communities. Basically, it is how the past systems of power, privilege, and supremacy affect the present. Not everyone starts at the same place when pursuing their future. For example, when I was 16 and trying my first job, trying to get it, I was hired not just because I am a white female. It was because the manager of the store was the wife of my father's business client and church member. That was privilege. What advantages have you had that will help you pursue your future goals? Of the three, equity is the most important because without it, there would be no diversity and inclusion. Creating diversity, inclusion, and equity is a process of awareness and conscious decision-making. What can you do to facilitate greater equity within your lives? I have asked some thought-provoking and challenging questions. The next step in the process is yours. Thank you for your attention. Please remember to complete the survey questions that are on the last slide attached to this presentation.